Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a good day. So for today's video, I am going to be installing my front lip, and the front lip that I'm going to be using is the new Seibon. Pretty sure there's a lot of people that use it, but I just wanted to give it a try. I've never had it on my car, especially. I did have like another Seibon lip, but that was more like a flat one, and I mean, I liked it and all, but I always like to change things up. And after that Seibon lip, I had the front half bumper, and then including the APR carbon fiber splitter. So I am going to be using my carbon fiber splitter again. So that's actually going to be underneath the Seibon lip as well. So it's going to be like a whole custom look to the front, just, you know, a second add-on on the bottom of the Seibon lip. So I'm not sure how exactly low it's gonna make my car, because I do sometimes struggle just going into my driveway because it's pretty steep. But I mean, I make it, but just have to, like, you know, angle it to go in and all that. But I'm gonna bring out the Seibon and the APR lip soon, so you guys can check it out, and just gonna see the whole process of me installing on the car. But hope you guys enjoy the video. So this is the carbon fiber splitter that I will be using for the car. So this right here is the APR splitter. As you can see, it is actually cut up. Usually the APR brings like a whole piece, especially when you buy like universal carbon fiber splitters. They don't usually come out cut already. So what I did is I just pretty much cut like half of the whole splitter. Reason why is because there was a lot of weight underneath my car, and I just didn't know exactly where to basically put all the screws in. So I mean, regardless, I wasn't going to, like, you know, track my car or whatever, but I just needed it just more for like the looks, you know. So that's the reason why I cut it and just made it look like a simple lip that would look, you know, clean with any other lip that'll basically hug around the front bumper. But anyways, this does already have holes. So like I mentioned before, this actually used to be on my front half Robin bumper. So reason why there's already holes, and as you can see, there's like a slight mark already right here. So that's just a mark for me to, like, know exactly where, you know, I could kind of bring the lip to in order for me to, like, drill into the Seibon. So really it's just a mark for me. It's not really anything special, but the holes, I will be using those same holes just to drill into the Seibon. The Seibon is brand new. I haven't drilled in yet anything, so I will be doing that. So these are the carbon fiber canards. This does come with the Seibon lip, so pretty much includes the side part of the bumper, the lip, and the canards. So this is actually a 3-piece lip. That's how pretty much Seibon made it. But anyways, this is the canards, and it has like already 3 pre-drilled holes. So basically you do use your own screws. It does not include any screws at all. So pretty much that's how it's gonna be laid out once I have everything screwed in. And yeah, so this kind of sticks out further out into the front bumper, so it looks pretty tough. Alright guys, so it is currently the next day. So I'm gonna just give a quick rundown on how we did this 2-piece front splitter with the Seibon and the APR splitter. So basically, like I said, I am using my old APR splitter, so you can probably see all the, you know, curves, scratches I already have on this current one. I mean, that doesn't really matter because when it's flat, you won't really notice it. But anyways, for this one, I did actually use some holes that it was already like drilled. So basically I used those holes and then just drilled it into the Seibon. And same thing right here, used it onto the Seibon. So what kind of got us delayed was that since the splitter was a little bit big, in terms of like right here, the splitter was actually like extended a little bit right here. So we needed to actually trim the APR splitter a little bit more because I needed access for these holes, especially because these are the holes that's gonna be actually screwed into the actual bumper. So when I had this, like, you know, not trimmed off really, it was actually blocking the way for me to screw in the screws into the front bumper. So now that I have this trimmed up nicely, I now have more access to pretty much just, you know, put the screws in there, put it on the front bumper, and that's pretty much it. So really, there's nothing to do with the APR splitter. The APR splitter is actually just held onto the Seibon with bolts and nuts behind it. If I flip it upside down, back to the top side, so it's really sturdy. So yeah, that was the whole purpose of these two splitters, and just to make it more secure, so it doesn't really like fall out while I'm driving like in the highway. So pretty much now I can finally mount it into the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually jack up my car from one side and then to the other side, because again, my car is pretty low. I can't really like go underneath the car just like that, because it's not gonna give me enough clearance to really put my hands through and then bolt it up. So definitely gonna start with the driver's side and then move on to the passenger side. Alright, so now that I have the car jacked on one side, I'm gonna go ahead and mount the splitter and start screwing from the driver's side all the way probably to like this hole right here. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna start from the other side and then put the other piece of the splitter back to the side. So again, I can't really put the splitter with those two pieces assembled. Reason why is because the way it actually hugs around the front bumper. So if I do it, you know, if I assemble both of those two together, it's not really going to allow me to really mount the splitter, because this does not really flex too much. It's really like sturdy. I mean, it's carbon fiber again, but anyways, gonna go ahead and do that, and really can't wait how it's gonna look on the car. So I pretty much have the lip installed. Just one only issue is that this lip made my car look like I dropped 2 inches more lower. So meaning that I won't be able to actually drive it. So even as a daily drive, this car is not really, I guess, safe to drive, or else I'm just gonna completely rip the lip off immediately. So even getting off my driveway, I cannot even get out because of how much I scraped. I actually tried to get out yesterday, and I completely just scraped the whole way out, and in coming back I had to use freaking bricks to just get back into my driveway. Just, you know, put individual bricks underneath my wheel just so I can get back inside my driveway. So I'm not really trying to do that. My only choice would be like pretty much to raise my car, and that'll allow me to have the APR splitter with the Seibon. So right now what I believe I will do is remove the APR splitter and just keep the Seibon. Hopefully I'm okay just driving like that, but I think it should be okay. It's just that I'm gonna show you, for example, like if I stick my shoe, like that's as far as I can go. That's how low it is. Like that's hella low. You can't even stick your foot inside, so that's really low. Again, it's the APR that's making it like super low. It's like I'm like on the ground. Hence my car is not even on bags, it's just on coils. From the side it does not look like it's low. I mean, it is low, but then again, I don't think it's that low, I guess. But this is how it looks from the side with the splitter and the APR. I can show you guys how low it is, especially just coming out of that driveway. I'll put my camera on the side and you guys see. So there you have it. That's as far as I can go. Pretty much get out of my driveway. That's really all I can go. I mean, yesterday I forced it to come out, but I don't want to do that right now because I'm not trying to really break this splitter. But yeah, this thing is really low. Again, it's like on the damn ground already. Alright guys, just a quick update. So I did actually put my APR splitter. I know in the previous clip I did say that I was gonna run it without it, but in order for me to actually run with the APR splitter and the Seibon, I had to actually raise my car a bit. So I did raise it like an inch or an inch and a half higher. Before I was actually tucking a little bit more. So I only raised the fronts. The rears is still tucking in a bit. So I'm not sure if you can see it. It's slightly tucking in, so I'll have to adjust that as well. But anyways, that's currently the height. This is temporarily height. I only did it again because I wanna, run the custom APR lip with the Seibon. That's the only reason why I raised it, and I really like it a lot. So makes the car a lot more better. So I'm just gonna do a quick walk around how it looks. So let me know what you guys think of the custom APR with the Seibon. It looks good with the car and all, but this will not come off at all. So it's like sturdy in there. So it's really stuck, locked it nicely. But I'm gonna do a quick little drive-by just so you guys can see how it looks when it's driving by. Probably will put the camera around here or something just so I can do a little quick drive-by. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick walk around one last time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of me installing the new splitter. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.